everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm out here in this beautiful day, and we're going to do the Weakley County tornado siren test. This is a test of the Weakley County emergency warning system. It's almost time. It's 11:59. Well, for those of you who don't know what a tornado siren is, a tornado siren is a device in which there's trouble ahead that tells you if there's trouble ahead. Uh-oh, it's time. Come on. Before the test begins, a tornado siren. Oh, here we go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! This is awesome! It does this for 3 minutes. Hi, Ryan! And there's 9 to 5 Productions. Wow. For those of you who don't know, they do this on the last Wednesday of every month at 12 o'clock. Almost there. Don't you just love that eerie sound of our tornado siren test? Wow. This is cool. Okay. 12:03. The tornado siren should be going off the tornado siren should be shutting down any second now. Any minute now. Awkward. There it goes. And now listen to what the tornado siren has to say next. That was was another siren going. Or an echo. Alright, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun train videos like this. And actually, this is the last test that I will get to hear. So, as I said earlier, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace out.